Most painting contractors don't lose jobs because of bad painting skills. They lose jobs because estimates are slow, schedules are messy, and follow-ups get forgotten. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, painting software is not just about organization. It directly impacts how many bids you win and how much profit you keep per job. In this video, you'll learn the best software for painting contractors in 2026, what each tool actually does, and which one fits your business size and workflow. Let's start with one of the most widely used field service tools, Jobber. Jobber is designed for small to mid-sized painting businesses that need simple estimating, scheduling, and invoicing. A painter like Alex can create a quote on site, schedule the job instantly, and send an invoice the moment the work is completed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is extremely easy to use, which means your crew can adopt it quickly without training headaches. But it may feel limited if your painting business handles large commercial contracts or complex job costing. Next is Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro focuses on automation and customer communication. A painting contractor like Jake can automate appointment reminders, send estimates, collect payments on site, and keep customers updated without constant manual follow-up. But here's the problem. As your company grows, you may notice that customization options and advanced project controls are not strong enough for large-scale painting operations. Third is Service-a-Titan. Service-a-Titan is built for large painting and home service companies. It handles scheduling, dispatching, QRM, estimating, marketing, reporting, and sales tracking in one system. This is where Service-a-Titan becomes powerful. It is designed for multi-crew operations and high-volume businesses. But it is also expensive and can feel overwhelming for small painting contractors. Now let's talk about Paint Scout. Paint Scout is built specifically for painting contractors. It focuses on fast estimating, professional proposals, and pricing consistency. A contractor like John can generate accurate paint estimates quickly and send polished quotes that look professional to clients. It is very strong for boosting sales efficiency, but it is not a full field service management system on its own. Finally, we have Notify. Notify is designed for specialty contractors, including painters. It includes job costing, project management, invoicing, and budget tracking, so you can understand exactly how profitable each job is. Now here's the key insight most painting contractors miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one that helps you win more bids, finish jobs faster, and avoid losing money on poor tracking. So let's simplify it. If you want simple scheduling and invoicing, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want automation and customer communication, Housecall Pro works well. If you are running a large painting company, Service-a-Titan is powerful. If you want fast professional estimates, Paint Scout is excellent. And if you want deeper job costing and project tracking, Notify is a solid option. The biggest mistake painting contractors make is choosing software based on popularity instead of how their estimating and job workflow actually works in real life. So the takeaway is simple. The best painting software is the one that helps you quote faster, schedule smoother, and track profit without confusion. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns and comparisons like this.